Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger.
Nice.
Let's get this crypto. Now in today's video I will be showing you guys how I purchase gift cards using cryptocurrency with BitRefill.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now I made a video about BitRefill a couple of years ago, like 1 or 2 years ago. But I felt like it's time for an update video because yeah, this is a tool that I use on a regular basis and I feel like it's a must-have tool in every crypto investor's toolbox.
Okay.
Let's get this crypto. Now BitRefill is an amazing website. They don't just offer gift cards for some of the most popular brands out there. For example, they got Steam, Airbnb, Flightgift, Spotify, Mastercards like Prepaid Mastercards, Nike, Hotels.com, Blizzard, Netflix, IKEA.
Oh my god! Wow!
H&M, Adidas, Hotel, Stadium, Tinder, you get the idea. This is just for my country, so if you're in the US, you will have a lot more options.
Okay.
And they offer pretty country-specific gift cards, so no matter in what country you are, you will be able to use BitRefill. Now you can also buy phone refills, top up prepaid mobile phones with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.
Seriously?
They got eSIM. I don't really know what this is. I guess it's like a prepaid SIM card. So if you're in an industry that needs a lot of burner phones, you know, you can purchase them anonymously from BitRefill. They got, of course, gaming, a lot of different gaming gift card alternatives, and travel like I showed you. So when you have signed up for BitRefill, you can choose your gift card. So I'm gonna be going with the Zalando gift card for 50 euros at the cart checkout, and as you can see, I don't have enough balance to purchase this card.
Oh god!
So we will have to top up my balance, and this is how you do it. So on BitRefill, just simply head over to your account.
Okay.
Click on top up balance. Now you can choose from any of these cryptocurrencies. I will be going with USDT, TRC20. Okay, so I will be topping up my BitRefill account from OKX, as it is my personal favorite exchange and I have a partnership with them. So I will leave a link in the description box down below. When you use it to sign up for OKX, you get a free mystery box worth up to $10,000, which hey, who doesn't like free money? Okay, so back to the video. We are going to withdraw this USDT and we are going to head over to the BitRefill website, copy the USDT TRC20 address. Okay, so I pasted the address. We are on TRC20, the correct chain. Let's put max. Next, I trust this address and let me do the authentication. Okay, our withdrawal has been submitted and now we simply wait for the USDT to hit our BitRefill account. It's been like 2 minutes and as you can see, I just got my BitRefill account topped up with 22 USDT or whatever, how much we sent. So now let's purchase the gift card, and as you can see, now my rewards balance is available. So let's choose that plus USD plus the USD balance, confirm payment, and the order has been complete. Let's get this crypto. Okay, so I found the shoes that I want to purchase. These ugly ass freaking dad shoes. I'm gonna be buying a pair of these, so lisää ostin. It should now be in my checkout. Okay, so I translated the checkout page and entered the front code. Volunteer. I guess this is the gift card code, so let's grab that. Click to unseal. When you are watching this video, this code has already been used, so there's no need to try to use it. Anyway, let's see if it works. Redeem. Hey, voucher has been successfully redeemed. Okay, so I'm now confirming the order, and as you can see, subtotal 84.95 euros, gift cards minus 50 euros, so I'll only pay about 35 euros. So send the order. Now, as you can see, thank you for your order.
Yeah, boy.
We will send you a confirmation by email too, and I blurred out my email. But yeah, that's how simple it is to use BitRefill. Like I said, this is a must-have tool in your crypto toolbox. You have no idea how many times this has come in handy when booking trips or just simply purchasing something, you know, because you don't have to pay tax on gifts. Think about that for a second. Anyway, that has been pretty much it for the video. I wanna thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.